we have come to the end of another Level 3 Certificate in Youth Mentoring training. And as you can see, the day is getting dark. But we've just had a fantastic group of mentors who are located in different parts of the country, but they all work in pupil referral units. And the 3 days of training has brought their like minds and like experiences together to reflect on their mentoring practice and how they can improve not just the practice, but their provisions, value and understanding of mentoring. I am really looking forward to the developments that they're able to make, not just to the young people's lives, but also to the provision. And take a look. This is what they said about the course.
I found the course very valuable, very insightful. It has certainly boosted my skill set as a mentor and as a coach, and I will be using the knowledge and skills gained to empower my team to enhance the quality of the support that we are providing to our young people at school.
I've been mentoring for about 10 years or so, and I started out in the community, doing mentoring within my community. This has been really helpful as a course that I can deliver and just take the approaches that I've learned about to deliver mentoring within a school setting. That's been really, really cool. To improve my confidence to liaise with my managers, with SLT, to deliver an effective mentoring practice where I work, because that's important, really, really important. And just grateful for the style of delivery, which made it really easy to take in. Yeah, that's about it.